Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick comparison between Shopify and Squarespace, and also to answer the question, which is better? If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, Shopify right here is better for business focused on scaling retail sales and volume, as it is an uncompromised powerhouse platform designed entirely for commerce. Now, Squarespace right here, on the other hand, is better for visually driven brands, service providers, and creators who prioritize breathtaking, designer-grade layouts, portfolio displays, and maintain content management. So why do we want to choose Shopify? Shopify right here is a dedicated transaction machine designed to squeeze the highest possible revenue out of your web traffic. Features like Shop Pay store customer credentials across millions of stores globally, allowing buyers to complete transactions with a single tap. Shopify easily coordinates thousands of product variations, manages complex multi-warehouse inventory, and syncs across global storefronts natively. It delivers laser-precise retail analytics, including average order value or average order value tracking, cart abandonment behavior, and cohort analysis. And if your business goes viral overnight, Shopify's enterprise infrastructures handles sudden flash sales seamlessly without lagging or crashing. Now, why would you want to go ahead and use Squarespace? So Squarespace right here is the undisputed champion for visual storytelling and intuitive design aesthetics. The layout editor allows you to place text, images, and visual elements exactly where you want them, down to the individual pixel. Templates are universally clean, professional, and visually spectacular, making them ideal for high-end boutiques, artists, photographers, and upscale salons. Also, Squarespace integrates natively with Acuity scheduling, allowing you to sell physical products alongside appointments, workshops, and digital subscriptions without paid add-ons. And lastly, pricing plans, bundle hosting, security, and email marketing trial, and basic blogging architecture into one highly cost-effective subscription tier. So choose Shopify if your main objective is to run a high-volume product brand, sell across global channels like TikTok Shop, Amazon, and retail POS, or even manage a complex multivariant inventory catalog. Choose Squarespace right here if you are a service provider, designer, lifestyle creator, or a boutique retailer with a small catalog who needs a flawless aesthetic presentation more than advanced data modeling or enterprise logistic tools. And that is a quick comparison between Shopify and Squarespace. So I hope that answers the question, which one is better? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.